Is it not amazing that large amount of steel required for industrial laundry can be supplied by solar energy? A free gift from the nature and non-depleting resource. Around 3,000 number of clothes are being washed, dried and pressed every day at Gajraj Dry Cleaners, Ahmednagar in Maharashtra. In earlier days, the cloths were dried using wood, kerosene, diesel oil and coal on a large scale. Gajraj Dry Cleaners had identified that energy is the major cost factor in the business and laundry machineries needed a lot of steam. It was not an easy decision to switch over to solar due to underdeveloped solar market and hardly any working system for laundry available in the country. However, encouraged by successful operation of certain solar concentrating systems for other applications, supported by positive profitability calculations, they took the conscious decision to solarize their business. Financial support from Government of India was an added advantage. Today, Gajraj Dry Cleaners is happy with proud possession of one of the largest solar laundry in India.
नमस्कार. जनरली लॉन्ड्री मध्ये चांगल्या पद्धतीची क्वालिटी द्यायची असेल तर स्टीमचा वापर हा होणं अपरिहार्य आहे. याच्या अगोदर आम्ही स्टीम जनरेटर वापरत होतो. त्यासाठी लागणारे जे ऑइल आहे किंवा डिझेल असेल किंवा एलडीओ असेल हे जे याचा वापर होत होता, परंतु दिवसेंदिवस त्याच्या किमती वाढत चालल्या कारणाने आणि त्याचा याच्या पुढेही अधिक त्याच्या किमती वाढतील आणि ह्या वाढत असताना ग्राहकांवरती बोजा न देता आपणच आपल्या सिस्टीम मध्ये त्याची किंमत कमी करण्यासाठी हा पर्याय निवडला गेला.
अपारंपरिक ऊर्जाच्या द्वारे स्टीम तयार करण्यासाठी सोलर सिस्टीमचा उपयोग केला. खर्च कमी येतो आणि मेंटेनन्ससाठी कुठलाही अजिबात त्रास न होता. आमचा जो स्टाफ आहे तो स्टाफ सगळा तयार झालेला आहे. तो सुद्धा फोकसिंग करणे, प्लेटा स्वच्छ करणे, जर त्याची काही मोडतोड झाली तर ती खोलून परत त्या वेल्डिंग करणे.
The dish concentrators concentrates solar heat at focal point with mirrors in its base. The dish is available in market with aperture area of 10, 16 and 32 square meters depending on the requirement. Heat collected at the focal point is received by water, which immediately converts into steam that flows through header pipe for the central collection at collector vessel. The steam thus collected is transported to dryer through pipes for washing, drying and pressing clothes. Let us now have a look at each of the components. This is a solar concentrator with a size of 16 square meter. The typical shape of parabolic dish allows all the solar energy falling on it from all directions using mirror in its base to focus on the receiver. The focus is maintained by sun tracker. The receiver is a welded metal cavity with inlet and outlet ports coated with black selective surface which collects the heat from the sun and transfers it to water flowing through it. The water converted into steam in the receiver flows through the header tube made up of steel with designed diameter and insulation. The steam collected in header tube then directed to laundry machineries with the help of insulated steam piping. The steam thus produced augments the steam supply from existing boiler running on diesel oil, and the system practically runs 100% solar from morning 11 o'clock to 4 o'clock in the evening on a clear sunny day. The steam output is used for parallel applications of clothes washing, drying and pressing. During release of heat from steam to laundry application, it condenses into water, which is collected from drain pipes for reutilization through recirculation to produce the steam again. The recirculation helps in water conservation. Let us know the working experience of operator of the systems.
बॉयलरची स्टीम मध्ये जास्त शक्यतो पाणी वगैरे यायचं, त्यामुळे कपडे प्रेस करायला थोडासा त्रास व्हायचा, कपडे ओले व्हायचे. पण सोलर सिस्टीम लावल्यामुळे स्टीम एकदम ड्राय येतील, छान येतील. कामाचं स्पीड पण वाढलेलं आहे आणि ते अशा प्रकारचं काम करायला पण कंटाळा येत नाही, आनंद वाटतो एकदम.
Today, the management of Gajraj Dry Cleaners is happy with the benefits received from solar laundry. Let us know their views.
6-7 वर्षापासून स्टीम वापरतोय आणि चांगल्या प्रकारे याचा आम्हाला उपयोग होतोय आणि ही ऊर्जा जी ती एकदम क्लीन आहे, फ्री आहे आणि त्याचा आपण उपयोग आज करून घेतला पाहिजे. कारण दिवसेंदिवस डिझेल किंवा बाकीचे जे पर्याप्त जे ऊर्जा पर्यायी साधनं जे आहेत आणि त्याच्या किमती दिवसेंदिवस वाढत चाललेल्या आहेत.
The laundry system based on solar concentrator has proven a great blessing from the sun god. It has made the laundry operations easier. The solar dry cleaner is saving 6,500 liters of diesel per year. That means direct saving of around rupees 3.5 lakhs per year, which makes it a highly profitable venture. Additional advantage is that it helps in pollution control and avoids emission of around 17 metric tons of carbon dioxide per year. With 16 manufacturers ready to supply systems of technical specifications as defined by Government of India, the technology is on the verge of giant leap. Incentives provided by Government of India makes the solar laundry applications further commercially attractive. Many hotels and hospitals in India have successfully demonstrated the use of CSTs to their great benefits. So why not we?